people for my demonstration speech. Okay.
Really, 20 minutes?
They don't sound so. We have to turn the volume down. Yeah. As long as we don't hear it in the background, I think we're okay.
It's going well.
I'm Tammy Higginson, and I'm going to present a speech to you on how to pack a winter survival kit for your car. It's that time of year again where the wind starts to blow and the snow comes, and you never know if you're going to find yourself stranded in your vehicle. And I'd rather have you be safe and prepared instead of not having the things that you need with you. So one of the things you're going to want is some kind of a bin or a duffel bag or something to put your items in. You are going to want a blanket. You're going to want some extra gloves, a couple pair of extra gloves, some extra hats, a couple pair of extra socks. You're going to want a flashlight, and you can use this for two things. You can use the flashlight to signal for help outside of your vehicle, and just in case you need to see inside your car, you can have your flashlight. And then also make sure that you have extra batteries for your flashlight. You are also going to want to have some high-calorie food. It can be candy bars, can be nuts, or anything like that. And the reason for that is high-calorie foods stay with you longer, and also, since they're high-calorie food, they burn energy, which helps you to stay warmer. You're also going to want a first aid kit, so you can have disposable gloves just in case you need them. And a little kit. Should have more gloves. Some hot pads. A couple of gauze pads. And then the gauze pad tape. A couple of hand sanitizer wipes. Some Band-Aids. Some tissue, and some antibacterial wipes. And then if you take medication, you might want to make sure that you keep a couple extra of your prescription or heartburn pills or whatever you might need in here. So we'll pack that up. You're also going to want to keep a couple bottles of water, maybe, 2 or 4 of them to keep hydrated. You're also going to want a little knife or scissors. You never know if you need to maybe, cut one of the tapes from the gauze pads or anything like that. And then another thing that is a good idea is a coffee can with a candle. You put it inside of there. You crack your window just a little bit to let out some of the smoke. It's a good idea to actually have 2 of these, and what this does is this will keep the temperature in your car warm enough to keep you alive. So then you want to make sure you have a lighter for that. And then also, if you are used to traveling with your pets, maybe make sure that you have a small supply of dog food or cat food for them, some extra water. If you have infants, you should already have your diaper bag with some essentials that you'll need, but you might want to make sure that you have a couple items of clothing for them or a couple blankets for the infant. Also, you want to make sure that you stay with your car. You should never leave your vehicle. You should always stay with your car and then use your flashlight or flares to signal for help. And another reason you want to stay with your vehicle is hypothermia can set in just a matter of a few minutes, depending on the temperature. If you have a cell phone or OnStar, please remember to use it, but in remote areas, those devices may not work. So I thank you for your time, and I'm done.